Most of us have seen those travel ads that look like a total pipe dream. 60% off a five-star hotel, a luxury cruise for a fraction of the usual cost. It sounds like a classic bait and switch, but then you dig a little deeper. You find a name like Travorium. It is popping up everywhere lately. You have to look past the glossy website images. You have to find the real humans behind the digital curtain, because if you can't find a face, you usually find a trap. But here we have actual names and titles. People like David Hart, who is the founder, Mike Oliver, who handles the communication. These are real people. They are putting their reputations on the line as leaders. That changes the whole vibe of the conversation immediately. We aren't talking about some mysterious entity hiding in a digital basement somewhere. They've been active since late 2019. That is a lifetime in the world of online travel platforms. Most scams burn out in 6 months or less. They take the cash and then they vanish into thin air. But staying power for several years suggests a real infrastructure. It suggests a real commitment to the long haul. When you look at the feedback on independent sites, you see people calling it the Amazon of lifestyle. That is a heavy title to carry. It implies massive variety. It implies a central hub for everything from rental cars to luxury vacation packages, and people are actually seeing the savings in their bank accounts. It is not just marketing fluff or clever wording. They are talking about real dollars staying in their pockets after a trip is booked. But you have to be smart about how these things work. It is a membership model after all. It is not a one-time magic trick. You are joining a community, a collective, and that means there is a subscription involved. You have to weigh the cost of that entry against the frequency of your travel habits. If you only leave your house once every 2 years, maybe it is not the right fit for you. But for the digital nomads, the frequent family vacation planners, the people who live for the next flight out of town, the math starts to look very different. The social media presence is another big indicator of what is really going on. They are not just posting stock photos from a library. They are engaging with an active community. They are showing up on social platforms every single day. That level of transparency is incredibly hard to fake over the long term. It creates a trail of accountability that anyone can follow. You can see the updates. You can see the promotions. You can see the people actually using the service in real time. And they have clear contact points, an official email, physical office locations in multiple spots. These are the breadcrumbs of a legitimate business operation, not a ghost company. So while the 60% savings claim might make your inner skeptic scream at first, the data points to something far more grounded and stable. It is a global lifestyle platform that has built a solid foundation over years. Just make sure you read the fine print of any membership before you make a move. Know what you are signing up for. Understand the different tiers, and then decide if those discounts are going to pay for the seat you are sitting in. It is about being an informed traveler in a world full of noise and empty promises. And right now, this specific platform seems to be shouting for all the right reasons. It is about the long game, the community, and the actual experiences people are having in the real world, not just on a computer screen. Keep your eyes open, do the math, and see where the road takes you.